Hey everyone, happy Monday to you. We're back from the weekend and it was a really strong market day right from the get-go here today. It seems like we may be going up a little bit further, but let's go ahead and focus in on one of our favorite charts here. This is Amazon.com, and we'll go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along. It had a nice comeback from a couple of weeks ago when it penetrated this 480 level, and it's come back quite strongly on some good volume. And we'll go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along here. It's still not out of the woods. So we do have some resistance here, a slight resistance here at about 596 to 598 on the chart from the connecting those two tops. However, if you really wanted to zoom in and see what this is all about, what you'd really want to do is connect these tops here, and then we can see that this is actually penetrated the, why we want to do that is this is because this is an outlier. And we did gap down over here, and this kind of is a real resistance when you draw these uptrend lines or downtrend lines from gaps down. Those are really good resistance or support levels. So this is actually a really good resistance level to mark in there. But today it actually exceeded this drawn in downtrend line. I've drawn two of them here quite significantly on some pretty sizable volume as well too. We can see that. Those last couple of days have been pretty good volume, and we did have some pretty heavy selling as well in the beginning of the month. And no denying the price action was nasty, but we do have this potential V bottom, and if we continue to move higher, that's just going to make it much more difficult for those who are bearish on Amazon to state their case. We do have some resistance up here at this gap level over here, which comes in at about, I want to say it's about 612 to 613. We do have a nice MACD buy signal that just occurred last week, and it confirmed it on Friday, and it got even stronger today. But notice what's interesting today is that this stock pulled above the 200-day moving average here, and in a significant way, and gapped above the 200-day moving average. That's this gray line over here, and stayed above it all day long and closed at or near the highs of the session. That was pretty impressive. We do have the gap ahead over here. We have improving relative strength. We have momentum indicators that are starting to get stronger, and if we can get above this 50 level over here, this one has room to go higher. Take a look at Amazon.com. I know this is a messy looking chart here with all lines and so forth, but it really makes sense to me that we'd want to be long this stock for the foreseeable future, at least up to this trend line up here in the resistance line at the gap. 592 to 600 might be an area where this one starts to stall out. But from here, that's about 40 points. It's about 559.50 right now. That's Amazon.com. Thanks very much, everyone, for watching, and have a great day. See you guys next time.